знает не только смерть, это еще...
Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. I'm official Keem React. So today I'll be going to Russia. Hi Russians, glad to have you here. It's a pleasure to be in your country once more. So I've encountered this new artist. You guys click on this video for this very same reason. Okay, my people, so I've went and I've do some research and some translation of what the title says. Okay, so I guess the title says Cuckoo Shaka, and that means Cuckoo. Okay, and this Cuckoo means is all about resilience, sacrifice, and the search for freedom. So this entire video is all about sacrifice, search for freedom, and also resilience. Okay, so I want to see what they are resilient about and what kind of sacrifice they are trying to make, and also what freedom they are in search for. Okay, my people, so with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what I'm here to learn about different culture and the music and what the background history is all about relating to this particular country and so on. Okay guys, that's enough, so let's venture together. Peace.
Мам, можно я сегодня твое платье надену?
Сегодня можно.
Мы решили вас направить на 6-месячные курсы мастеров точного выстрела. Поздравляю.
Песен еще не написаны. Сколько? Скажи, кукушка, пробой. В городе мне жить или на выселках, камнем лежать или гореть звездой.
Wait, so her dad or her relative trained her to become into a soldier, so she went to school to further her education in to becoming a better soldier, and she's out on war. So this is where she's venturing into resilience. Okay, I'm loving this so far. Seems a bit emotional, but once emotion comes in the way, what can you do more than to just submit and subdue? Okay, so let's go.
Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. И если есть порох, дай огня. Вот так.
Война не место для женщин.
Если ты не придумаешь, ради чего тебе жить, то тебя убьют.
Guys, one of the most important thing about being a soldier is you have to protect the country. Alright, and whenever time war comes and the soldier should be out on the battlefield fighting for protection, searching for freedom, a lot of lives will be taken. A lot of lives will be lost. A lot of people will come back very sick, ill, broken. So with all these wars, okay, that has been taking place, someone just lose a wife and also a baby mother, a mother of a child, bro. It doesn't matter which gender, right? Whether it's a man or a woman, someone just lose a family, and it's very tough for people to really go out on the battlefield to protect the country, and so much people are dying, bro. Like, sometimes it's not a must that soldier will return home to their family, bro. It is so sad, bro. And and it's something that should happen, right? It's something that must happen, right? Where soldiers have to be in the battlefield protecting, fighting to ensure that their country, that they leave their family behind, is being protected, bro. Right? They have to resiliate. They have to protect themselves, bro. Bro, it is very sad, you know. It is very sad.
Люд,
Кто пойдет по следу одинокому? Сильные да смелые головы сложили в поле, в бою. Мало кто остался в светлой памяти, в трезвом уме, да с твердой рукой в строю.
Улыбайтесь, Павличен.
В строю.
Улыбайтесь.
Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. Если есть порох, дай огня. Вот так.
Война — это не только смерть, это еще такая жизнь.
Но мы отступаем! Понимаете, отступаем! И несем огромные потери! И завтра этими потерями будете вы!
Где же ты теперь, воля вольная? С кем же ты сейчас? Ласковый рассвет встретил.
Bro, is this based off of real life situation? Something that is happening or something that was already happened? Because this seems as if it's live and it's giving a reminder, it's giving a flashback of a movie which I watched once. It is called Saving Private Ryan, where they entered from the beach and you know the opposition or the Hops, you know, the enemies, right, try to take them out from miles and miles away, miles radius apart from the ground that they should be saving their friends from. Soldiers have been dying from out in the ocean, bro, and whenever time they arrived on the ocean shore, you've seen so much fishes, you've seen so much blood, you've seen so much soldiers died, bro, because just because they went to save their friend, so much bloodshed, bro. And this is giving me a reminder of what that show was, right? So much bloodshed, bro. It is sickening to see something like this, bro. Very sickening. All right, and to witness all these, bro, we can't do nothing at all about it and just hope for the best and to pray to God that God literally opened the door for all these people who are facing such trials, such tribulation, such hardship, bro. Because to lose a family in a war that people are not promising to returning home to a family, bro, it is crazy out there, man. And to witness this, bro, it give me chills, bro. It give me chills. Trust me, bro, it give me chills.
Надо верить, что не убил.
Guys, I would love to know if this video is like a move, because all the aerial bombs, you know, all this gunpoint, all this aim to try to take out another soldier, bro. I would love to know if this is a movie, because if this is filming as if a real life film, bro, that's so tragic. That's so tragic. You know, so much soldiers have died. So much soldiers have been, you know, so hurt badly that they could not be able to move. Bro, that is crazy, yo. That is crazy. That is crazy. Russian, I'm sorry. You guys are going through so much. You know, we Jamaicans, or me Jamaican, you know, I'll keep on praying for y'all, because, you know, prayer works. And the most I literally answer prayer that we send up, believing in that prayer with faith. Okay, my people. So I do love you all, Russian people. You guys are kind loving, heartwarming people. But remember this, you are not alone in this, bro. The world is with you, especially me, and I'll be keep on remembering you guys in my prayers. Okay, my people, so if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican Rector. And if you guys enjoyed my reaction, a GoFundMe link is pinned down in the description if you guys would love to support and to, show a little appreciation of me reacting to your music. You guys can also donate. I do not mind if you guys donate anything because I do appreciate you all same way. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in another reaction.